So guidance solution by design is going to require data. So therefore, what sources of data are we going to use? Is it from a manufacturing execution system, from a SCADA, DCS, or PLC, from IIoT sensors? This is a part of this design of that solution. Now, fortunately, a lot of people already have made a number of choices and decisions in this regard. So it's not like everybody's starting from scratch. But I just want to make the audience understand that it is part of their solution for achieving or receiving guidance. Then secondly, the systems through which a condition is determined is a part of that guidance system. The systems through which that guidance get provided to people who have to then act on it. This could be senior people like the engineering staff who have to respond to a completely new issue, or the technical staff that is making plant altering decisions, whether it is for maintenance or for operational purpose. And therefore, these three are the primary components of a smart guidance solution. For the most part, standards have made it possible now to communicate between the data sources and the guidance generating system. While there are not as many standards between the guidance system and the work management systems, that integration is now quite smooth. And so you could have 50 different source types and 50 different target types in the full gamut, if you might, of smart guidance systems and solutions. The other thing that is important to realize is that it's a solution. Therefore, the idea is that everybody's need is going to be slightly different. Their data will be slightly different, and their work systems will be slightly different. So therefore, their specific solution is going to think about or optimize for the way that people work. Meaning, what information can they act on instantaneously? What information requires review? In order for them to be able to review, what is the content they will need to be provided so that they can arrive at a quick decision? And so we have to work from the perspective of people and the plant to understand how to introduce a smart guidance solution. But those are the main elements of a smart guidance solution. And we'll hopefully get a chance to go into details of what is that intelligence about the condition. What does that mean? Because naturally, that is what is new in today's time and didn't exist, say, 10 years ago.